So what's up, YouTube? It's your boy Handy Danny, and look what I got here. Does anybody know what this is? You probably do from the description. However, if you never seen anything like this before and you've seen it in this form, you probably wouldn't know what it is. And if you guessed a ladder, an old nostalgic old school ladder because of the ladder right there beside it, you're probably right. You know, let me go ahead and open it up, and as you can see there, you just kind of slide it and it opens up. There's a step missing there, and the cool thing about it is it has these hooks on it, and you know, it's like, when was this ladder made, man? Like, I don't think that's too safe right there, but man, it's like some Captain Hook stuff. Halloween ideal. Okay, but anyway, look at this wood, man. I mean, this ladder, I haven't done any research on it. You'll see the research in the description as far as, you know, when this ladder was possibly made or who it was made by. But as you can see, I can just kind of slide it there and it breaks down. Really neat little ladder, man. My client I was working with, he was going to throw it away. He asked me to cut it up, and I said, man, I can't take a blade to that thing, man. Look at all the paint on it and look at all this stuff. I'm sure this ladder could still tell 1,000 stories, man. Like, this is amazing. Like, wow. But you know, if you ever seen a ladder like this before, or if you're willing to buy it off of me, you know, let me know. I'd be happy to maybe sell it to you, you know. Oh, just knocked it down. Well, that's the ladder. I'm gonna stop the video and see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching. Peace out.